Are you troubled by bloody noses during the cold winter months? Do you experience chapped lips and dry skin, or a surprising static shock when you reach for a light switch or doorknob? In this episode of Now You Know, we're talking about whole home humidifiers, the different types, how they work, and how they can benefit you. Before we get in the nitty-gritty of it, let's talk about the differences between whole home humidifiers and portable humidifiers. A whole home humidifier, as the name suggests, covers your entire home, whereas a portable humidifier only covers a certain amount of square footage. Portable humidifiers require frequent maintenance. They need to be cleaned at least once a week, refilled with distilled water several times throughout the day, and the filter has to be changed regularly. A whole home humidifier requires much less maintenance than a portable humidifier. It's hooked up directly to a water supply, so you don't really have to worry about filling it. And you only have to change the filter once or twice a year, depending on the hardness of your water. So now you know the differences between the two. Let's talk a little about how a whole home humidifier works. There are actually three different types: a bypass humidifier, a power humidifier, and a steam humidifier. They all connect directly to your HVAC system. When humidity levels drop below a set point, a bypass humidifier will draw water and allow it to trickle down a panel. It will then use warm air from the air handler or your furnace to evaporate that water and distribute the moisturized air throughout your home via your ductwork. A power humidifier does the same thing, but uses an internal fan to evaporate the water instead of an air handler or a furnace. A steam humidifier boils a small pool of water to produce steam, which your air handler or furnace sends throughout your home. This is also a good option for larger homes because it produces so much moisture, but they use more electricity to operate and require a dedicated high voltage circuit. So, why is it a good idea to have a humidifier in your home? Low humidity can cause several negative side effects, such as dry skin, chapped lips, constant static shocks, and an increased risk of cold and infection. Beyond your personal health, dry air can affect your home as well. According to April Air, the average home in cold environments weighs 16,000 pounds less in the winter than it does in the summer. That's as much as an African elephant. A whole home humidifier helps prevent your hardwood floors and trim from cracking and warping, helps keep the seals around your windows and doors from letting cold air in, and protects valuable items from damage. We recommend keeping the relative humidity in your home between 30 and 50% for optimal comfort. Also, when adjusting the humidity levels, keep in mind it takes up to 48 hours for the humidity levels to change within your home. If you're interested in installing a whole home humidifier or you have questions, feel free to contact the expert technicians at Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning or your favorite HVAC specialist. And now, you know.